In the wind energy sector, efficiency and reliability are fundamental pillars. The ability to transform raw sensor data into actionable information is crucial for optimizing wind turbine performance. This process is vital for implementing predictive maintenance strategies and strengthening infrastructure cybersecurity. This video is aimed at SCADA engineers, digital transformation leaders, and system integrators. For them, understanding data flow is essential. Let's visualize a wind farm as a complex and highly interconnected nervous system. In this comparison, sensors act as nerve endings, capturing every detail of the environment and the machine's status. Communication protocols, meanwhile, function as nerves, transmitting these signals across the network. Finally, data processing centers, whether at the edge or in the cloud, represent the brains that interpret and act on this information. The data and communications broker is the vital component that ensures this uninterrupted flow of information. Its mission is to ensure that every bit of data travels from the wind turbine to the cloud without loss, corruption, or compromising security. It guarantees the integrity and availability of operational information. Poor data management in a wind farm can have significant operational and economic consequences. Inaccurate alarms or the failure to detect critical faults can lead to unnecessary shutdowns or major damage. Maintenance decisions based on incomplete or erroneous information result in ineffective interventions and high costs. Predictive models, essential for performance optimization, depend entirely on data quality. If the data is incomplete or incorrect, algorithms will generate flawed predictions, compromising reliability and efficiency. Furthermore, inadequate data management exponentially increases cybersecurity risks, exposing critical systems to vulnerabilities. The data and communications broker emerges as the comprehensive solution to these challenges. Its main function is to capture, process, and secure information from its source. This agent ensures that the data is reliable and available when needed. The primary objective is to ensure that the right information reaches the right people at the right time. This enables agile and informed decision-making, optimizing the operation and maintenance of the wind farm. Operational efficiency and safety depend directly on this capability. The data and communications broker plays a central role in the architecture of a modern wind farm. Its first essential function is data integration. This broker is capable of unifying information from heterogeneous sources, such as SCADA systems, programmable logic controllers, PLCs, condition monitoring systems, CMS, and a variety of IoT devices. Once the data is integrated, the agent makes a critical decision about its processing. It determines whether the information should be processed at the same point, that is, close to the source, or in the cloud for further analysis. This choice is based on the required latency, the criticality of the data, and the available processing capacity. The third vital function is data assurance. This involves ensuring the security, traceability, and quality of all information flowing through the system. Mechanisms are implemented to protect data against unauthorized access, alteration, and loss, maintaining an auditable record of its life cycle. The data and communications agent acts as a central hub, facilitating seamless communication between the various system components. It is the nexus that connects sensors, actuators, control systems, and analytics platforms. This interconnection is critical to operational efficiency. An example is the ability to respond quickly to mechanical anomalies. Consider vibration analysis. If a sensor detects an anomalous vibration in a critical component, the agent processes this information in milliseconds. This can trigger immediate maintenance action, such as a controlled shutdown or a priority alert, minimizing the risk of further damage. This subagent is the system's polyglot, capable of understanding and translating the plant's various languages. Its main function is the integration of data from multiple sources, ensuring interoperability. Among the sources it integrates are SCADA systems, which monitor and control wind farm operations. It also handles data from PLCs, which manage specific processes within the wind turbines. Condition monitoring systems, or CMS, which provide detailed information on component status, are another key source. Furthermore, this subagent is essential for the integration of external IoT devices. These can include additional sensors to monitor specific parameters not covered by traditional systems. The ability to integrate these devices without complex reconfiguration is a significant advantage. To achieve this integration, the subagent handles a wide range of industrial protocols. This includes OPC-UA, a robust and secure communication standard for industrial automation. It also supports Modbus TCP, a protocol widely used in industrial environments. MQTT, a lightweight messaging protocol, is crucial for integrating resource-constrained IoT devices. Finally, industry-specific protocols such as IEC 60875-104 and IEC 61850 are managed to ensure compatibility with the power grid infrastructure. This subagent is the information strategist, determining where and how data is processed. Its role is to decide the optimal location for processing each type of data, balancing the capabilities of edge computing and the cloud. Optimization is key to this function. The Data Architecture Manager balances the processing load between the edge and the cloud. This is done by considering factors such as the latency required for a response, the cost associated with data transport and storage, and the criticality of the information. For events that require an immediate response, edge processing is prioritized. A practical example is the detection of a fault in a wind turbine converter. The vibration or temperature data associated with this event are processed locally. This on-site processing capability enables corrective action in milliseconds, avoiding network delays that could exacerbate the problem. Critical information is analyzed and acted upon without having to send the data to the cloud. For more complex, historical, or high-volume analyses, the cloud is the preferred option. Artificial intelligence and machine learning models that require greater computational power can be run here. The manager ensures that data flows efficiently to the appropriate destination. Data security is a non-negotiable priority in any critical infrastructure. This subagent is the guardian of the system, protecting it against unauthorized access, human error, and digital sabotage. Its role is to implement and enforce security policies. Among the security measures implemented are granular access controls. This means that only authorized personnel and validated systems can access specific data and functions. Least privilege principles are applied to reduce the attack surface. The subagent continuously monitors data integrity. Any attempt at manipulation or alteration is detected and reported. This ensures that the information used for decision-making is always reliable and has not been compromised. For a holistic view of security, this subagent integrates with security information and event management (SIM) systems. This integration allows for correlation of security events across the entire wind farm, thus achieving a centralized detection and response capability. A concrete example of its action is blocking unauthorized access attempts. If a malicious actor attempts to access a vulnerable PLC port, the subagent detects this anomalous behavior. It immediately blocks access and generates an alert. This preventive action is crucial to avoid potential destructive attacks. The data and communications agent acts as the central axis of a wind farm's digital infrastructure. Its role as a nexus is critical to ensuring effective and consistent communication between all systems. This is achieved through the use of a consistent and standardized data format. Its interactions are broad and diverse. It collaborates closely with the orchestrator, the component that coordinates operations and task execution. The agent provides the data necessary for operational decision-making and process automation. Communication with the wind turbines is direct and constant. The agent extracts data from its sensors and control systems and, in turn, can transmit commands or configurations. This bidirectionality is vital for real-time monitoring and remote control. With maintenance teams, the agent provides diagnostic information and predictive alerts. This allows technicians to plan interventions proactively and efficiently. The availability of accurate data reduces downtime and optimizes resources. Predictive analytics systems depend entirely on the data flow managed by the agent. By providing clean and structured data, the agent boosts the accuracy of artificial intelligence and machine learning models. This translates into a greater ability to predict failures and optimize performance. Finally, the agent interacts with knowledge capture systems. By recording and contextualizing data, It contributes to the creation of an operational knowledge base. This information is invaluable for continuous improvement and staff training. A wind farm was facing recurring overloads on its communications network due to the massive volume of data generated. The constant transmission of non-critical information was saturating the available bandwidth. This affected the latency of data essential to operations. The solution implemented was intelligent data prioritization and on-site processing. The data and communications broker identified critical data requiring low latency and processed it locally. Non-essential information was filtered or sent to the cloud on a deferred basis. The tangible benefit was a 72% reduction in data transmission costs. Furthermore, latency for critical information was drastically reduced. This improved system responsiveness and overall operational efficiency. A wind farm needed to integrate new thermal IoT sensors to detect hot spots on wind turbine blades. However, the existing SCADA architecture was not designed for this direct integration. A SCADA reconfiguration would have been costly and radical. The solution was to use the heterogeneous data integrator subagent. This subagent connected the new sensors via MQTT, treating them as virtual variables. The sensor information was normalized and integrated into the existing data stream without modifying the SCADA. The benefit was a 100% improvement in the detection of hot spots on the blades. This additional capability allowed for early identification of anomalies. Preventive maintenance could be performed, avoiding further damage and extending the lifespan of the components. An open channel was detected in a wind farm's monitoring system, representing a cybersecurity vulnerability. There was a risk that external actors could exploit this gap to access critical systems. The integrity and safety of the operation were at risk. The solution was the intervention of the Cybersecurity and Access Control subagent. This subagent detected unusual traffic and an unauthorized access attempt through the vulnerable port. The subagent immediately blocked access and isolated the port. The direct benefit was the prevention of potentially destructive external access. No successful intrusions were recorded after implementing this measure. The agent's swift action protected the wind farm's critical infrastructure. The implementation of the data and communications agent translates into measurable improvements in wind farm operations. One of the most significant benefits is the improvement in overall system performance. Critical latency can be reduced by 85%, enabling near-instantaneous responses to important events. Additionally, a 60% reduction in unnecessary data traffic has been observed. This optimizes bandwidth usage and reduces costs associated with data transmission and storage. Efficiency in data management is a key factor. In terms of reliability, the results are equally impressive. A 41% reduction in incidents caused by human error can be achieved. This is due to process automation and the availability of accurate data for decision-making. Data availability for artificial intelligence systems can improve by 35%. This means that AI models have access to higher quality information in greater volume. This boosts the accuracy of predictions and the effectiveness of predictive maintenance strategies. These KPIs demonstrate the direct impact of the data and communications broker on operational efficiency, cost reduction, and improved safety. Investment in robust data management translates into significant returns. The data and communications broker is, without a doubt, the lifeblood of modern wind turbine systems. Its ability to integrate, process, and secure the flow of information is critical to the efficient and safe operation of wind farms. In this video, we explore how to transform raw data into actionable intelligence, optimizing performance and reducing risk. Data management is not just a technical issue, but a critical operational strategy. Without data, there is no intelligence. But without proper structure, data is just noise. The data and communications broker provides that essential structure. In the following video, we'll explore the evolution of data management beyond sensors. We'll delve into the capture of implicit knowledge, the know-how that resides in the experience of technicians and operators. This knowledge is not present in SCADA, but is invaluable